what I'm going to try to do is just kind of more of a loose braid. It helps pull her hair back, but still maintains the curl.
Okay. And we have prepped the hair with some mousse.
So it's a little sticky.
Yeah, it's a little sticky, so it should stay well.
I'm just doing a regular braid. And I want to keep the curls there. And keep the braid kind of bigger and more loose so you can see the curls and the braid. You could do it tighter and do a different kind of style.
I think it'll be nice and bohemian looking.
Yes. Okay, I just want to see where I've like parted her hair off, so it's kind of even on the sides. Just put a little piece, and like I said, I want to leave the integrity of her curls pretty loose. So we can see a little bit. Maybe a little tighter right at the top, but as you go down, don't pull it tight, just leave it loose.
Now, if the hair does get a little frizzy and you don't want it to be so frizzy, do you just wet it and put more mousse on, or what do you do? I would say maybe just get it wet, right?
I would say get it wet, but sometimes there are places like where it's really humid and your hair is going to get frizzy too.
Yeah.
I think that there's just certain products that are geared towards curly hair that just help it to not be so
You just have to
frizzy, like
try.
a frizz-free.
Yeah. Probably just need to experiment a little with what works for you and your climate and your hair.
Yes. Okay.
Here's the rubber band if you need it.
And one side of her hair, as is most everybody, is thicker than the other side.
That's
so where
funny.
I parted it on the sides, I'm not going to have equal amounts of hair, so we'll just fan this braid out.
Okay.
And when I say fan out, and just pull the braid a little more loose.
That's pretty.
Now, if she wanted to place the braid up higher or whatever, this way it just kind of falls on its own cord. So when you take this out, there are 3 rubber bands in here, okay? And in taking this out, I recommend just breaking these rubber bands.
Or your mom can help you.
Don't pull it through your whole hair.
Yeah.
Just take it and either
Bite it or cut it.
or
But don't do it yourself. Let your mom do it. Okay, do you want to turn her this way? And then we're going to do some little tendrils in the front there.
So you can pull. This is so amazing. Because she already has this curly hair, there's not a lot, I mean, you don't have to take a lot from here.
Yeah.
It's already framing her head.
She looks like she's ready to go to a fancy dance, doesn't she? Or something like that, a party. Take a look. I love it.
One thing you could do to hide the rubber bands that are here,
Oh yeah, we could pull the hair around, huh?
you could take one of these pieces here, well, actually I would take it from here so it's not pulling on this underneath part. Just take it from here.
So you took a piece from inside the rubber band?
Yep, just
Okay,
from this
okay,
little ponytail
from the bottom,
here.
okay.
And just wrap that around the bands.
I'm just putting in a bobby pin there. So you have to have the bobby pin in the hair you just wrapped around and
Yes.
on the hair on her scalp, right?
Well, no, not necessarily.
Okay,
what I'm going to do is just push it right through the rubber bands here.
Oh, gotcha.
And kind of try and just hide it through the braid. Because the whole point is trying to make it look like her hair is just tied. Although her hair could probably
just
be in a knot.
Yeah, just be in a knot.
So if you have like bobby pins, get one that matches your hair.
Yeah.
And then it's just more camouflage.
I love that.
Gives it a little more